Getting ID cards couldn't be easier thanks to our quick and simple order process. Visit our website and open our Easy ID card builder. You'll be taken through our step-by-step process to ensure that you get the perfect package for you. First, choose your card quantity. There's a minimum order quantity of 10, and the more you order, the lower the cost per card. For larger or more complex orders, please contact our friendly sales team for a bespoke quote. Next, tell us what sort of cards you need and choose whether to supply your own artwork or to have our design team do it for you. Finally, add your lanyards, clips or holders before checking out. Then we'll get started on building your package. If we're producing your artwork, you'll receive a design proof for approval. Your cards will then be printed before they are carefully checked and packed ready for shipping. They'll be sent by courier to your address within 5 days of approval, or within 2 days if you choose our express service. Head over to our website today to get started on building your ID card package.